Hello everyone, I am Dr. Renuka David, the founder of the Radiant Wellness Conclave. This year we are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. Our conclave we started in 2015. The idea behind the conclave is to address wellness through preventive healthcare and adapting healthy lifestyle measures. And we've kind of gone through the 9 dimensions of wellness. So year on year we have speakers from physical, environmental, emotional, occupational, intellectual, technology, and social, health. So 9 dimensions, and we have this format as either panel discussions or fireside chats or a TED talk format. So this year our whole theme has been era of disruption, where because of artificial intelligence like Chat GPT, there's so much of disruption happening in our life. So all our conversations are going to be based around that.
Seems great, madam. Who is coming? Shashi Tharoor.
Yes, our keynote speaker this year is Dr. Shashi Tharoor. He's also the mentor for our conclave, and he has spoken in his keynote message about the 9 dimensions of wellness. Other than that, some known names are, Dr. Sriram Neme, who speaks on physical wellness and health. We are given the Lifetime Achievement Award to Shabana Azmi because she completes 50 years of cinema this year. So it's been an amazing and incredible journey, and I was in conversation with her, talking on her movies, talking on a lot of issues on life, work-life balance, on emotional wellness and social wellness, and what it meant to be an actor, an activist, a political leader. So in many ways that was very interesting. And also Boman Irani is coming in the afternoon, so we are very eager to hear his conversation because he's come from very humble background. He was a waiter, and then he became a photographer, and then a theatre personality, and then he got in movies when he was in his 40s. So very excited about that. And another very nice part of our conclave is the awards in that space of technology, health and environment. We recognize unsung heroes from all over India and abroad who are doing some incredible work. This award started, we put out these award nominations. First we just had 30 or 40. Last year we had about 230 applicants for the awards, and this year we have an incredible 830 people who applied for awards. So we had a very good jury who did, and so in the afternoon we are going to be awarding these incredible unsung heroes. So it's a very satisfying experience.
What is the effect?
On society, it's a big thing because there are so many questions people want to know. Like for example, now artificial intelligence, Chat GPT. Today, by a click of a button, people get answers for everything. Earlier they used to research in libraries, and also Chat GPT has become very easy. A lot of information is available in a very short span of time. But it can also, you have to use it intelligently. We don't want artificial intelligence to control us. So we're going to have some conversations around that.